In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large files using Google Drive. It can be quite a hassle when you need to share large files with friends, colleagues, or clients, but Google Drive makes the process seamless and efficient. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type Google Drive into the search bar. You'll want to click on the first link that appears or any link that leads to drive.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Drive homepage. Typically, if you're already signed in to your Google account, Google Drive will automatically log you in. If not, simply enter your login credentials to access your Drive. Once you're logged in, it's time to upload the file you wish to share. If you have the file readily available on your desktop, you can easily drag and drop it into the Google Drive window. Alternatively, you can click on the New button located in the upper left corner of the screen and select File Upload from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to browse your computer for the file you want to upload. Keep in mind that the upload process may take some time, especially for larger files, so just be patient while Google Drive handles it. After your file has successfully uploaded to Google Drive, you need to locate it in your Drive's list of content. Simply scroll through your files or use the search function at the top to find it quickly. To share the file, right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Share. You can also click on the share icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. This action will open the sharing settings window where you can add the people you want to share the file with. In the Add People in Groups box, type in the email addresses of your recipients. Next, it's important to decide what level of access each person should have. The options available are Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. For most purposes, especially if you're simply sending the file, granting viewer access is sufficient. This means recipients can view and download the file but cannot make any alterations. Once you've configured the sharing settings, click Send to share the file with the selected individuals. If you prefer not to send an email directly, you can choose to copy a shareable link instead. Click Copy Link under the General Access settings. Be sure the link sharing is set to Anyone with the link and adjust the access role to suit your needs. Usually Viewer is best. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a large file using Google Drive. Keep these tips in mind whenever you need to share substantial documents, as this method ensures your files are easily accessible and safely stored. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.